like if you work like as a part time macam, it's gonna be a very big trouble. If you got hired to the Arugambe from Nigambu, you can't come back. Then tomorrow you have to get a leave from your permanent job. Then they're gonna do paingal eliyata dai macam. Hey guys, Yoma is here. Welcome to my Facebook channel macha. So today I am gonna make this video with my English macha, but you don't have to laugh for my English because my English is not perfect, because English is not my first language macha. My first language is, I am very proud to say, I am Sinhala. My language is Sinhala, so my mother tongue is Sinhala. But I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try make this video with my English because I have to send this video to out of my country. සෞරග්‍රහ මණ්ඩලයෙන් එපිටට ඔක්කොටම යවලා මචං චන්ද්‍රයා සූර්යා වුණත් මේක බලන්න ඕනේ මචං. ඒ තරමට මම මේ වීඩියෝ එක හදන්නේ. So I'm going to show you one of my working days in Sri Lanka as a tourist travel assistant. So you can see, first of all, you can see I don't have any license. Like it's my clothes are not like too much professionals, because we have two ways in tourism in Sri Lanka. I mean, sometimes you should be very professional even with your clothes. You should be very professional macam. යට කරලා අඳින්න ඕනේ, belt එකක් දාන්න ඕනේ, සපත්තු දාන්න ඕනේ. But sometimes you can go with casual as you want. හැබැයි මචං ඔයා කොයි විදිහට ගියත් you have to do one thing, make sure safe driving drive කරන්න ඕනේ safe එකේ. එතකොට අර වෙස්ටර්න් කට්ටියට ලොකු ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ මචං. මේක මේ ඇඳුම් ගැනවත් සෙරප්පු දෙකක් හෝ ස්ලිපර්ස් දෙකක් දාන්න ඉතියට කොණ්ඩේ පහට කරලා කරාමු දෙයක් දායි කියලා එහෙම ලොකු අවුලක් නැහැ. It's the vibe of tourism much. So today my job is like this. I'm going to show you one of my working days. Okay, one of my working days in Sri Lanka as a tourist travel assistant. So I'm going to do a day trip today. Day trip එක කියන මචං මේ තනින් ගත්තා තව තැනකට දාපුවාම ඉවරයි. ඒ කියන්නේ රවුන්ඩින් ටුවර් එකක් වගේ නෙමෙයි මචං. මේකේ ටයිප් දෙකක් තියෙනවා. එකක් තමයි රට වටේ ගෙනියනවා දවස් 10ක් 15ක්. අනිත් ක්‍රමය තමයි ඩ්‍රොප් ගහනවා කියලා අපි ඒකට කියන්නේ. මෙතනින් ගත්තා මෙතන දැම්මා. මෙතනින් ගත්තා මෙතන දැම්මා. එතන හිටියත් එතනින් තව එක්කෙනෙක් ගත්තා තව තැනකට දැම්මා. Because when we having the off season, we don't have lot of rounding tours. Then we have to do these things. Okay, like drop tours. Then today my job is like this. I have already arrived to the pickup location. I have to get someone from the Nigambu. From Nigambu, then I have to take them to the Arugambe. Arugambe is located in east coast of Sri Lanka, because we have the season for Arugambe, particular Trincomalee, east coast of Sri Lanka. We have season for there in end of May macam. End of May තමයි පටන් ගන්නෙ. June, July, August අපිට season එක දිනවා මචං east coast වලට. Then but the main thing is we have only one international airport in Sri Lanka macam, because මත්තල වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ මචං. ඒක මචං මොනවා කරලාද මන් දන්නේ, මොකද හැදුවද මන් දන්නේ. anyway අපිට දැන් එකක් හරි තියෙනවනේ. එකක් හරි තියෙන ඉන්න සතුටු වෙන්න ඕනේ මචං. man ඔක්කොමලා මචං එරය වෙන්නේ මෙහෙටනේ. anyway, so my job is like this today. I have to pick someone from Nigambu. I have to take them to Arugambe macham. I have already arrived to the pickup location because today I am work with another company. Then they have sent me the location. Yoma, you should be there at 10:30 because they're gonna come out from the hotel 10:30 like that. Hari මචං මම 10:30 දී ආවා. ඇවිල්ලා I have informed to them I am in the location. Then they can come out, then we can start the journey. ඒ වුණාට එයාලා inform කරලා තියෙනවා 1 hour late වෙනවා කියලා. Then company were calling me and they saying me, hey Yoma, sorry, they were informing to us they're gonna late 1 more hour, then you have to stay there 1 more hour until 11:30. Then 11:30 නගම මචං මම මෙතන ඉන්න ඕනේ. That's very usual මචං. Okay, that is very usual. This is the map machang. Today I am going to ride on this way to the Arugambe. Then I have to go through the Kadawatha and Gol and Madara, Thangala, and we have to get exit from the Mattala. Then you can see there is a way to Buttala, but we are not going to use that way. We going to use the Vallavai road through the Kudaya, because machang patta ali togයක් ඉන්නවා යාර Buttala පාරේ. But for me it's okay. Then we have to ride until to the Arugambe. You can see even in the map it's showing more than 6 hours. It's almost macam 7 hours. It will take more than 6 hours. The main thing is I think most boring thing is we have to ride on the highway macam 4 hours, more than 4 hours. So it's very boring for me personally. I don't know it is boring or not for others. For me, riding on the highway is very, 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 very boring. Going on next. So, I have one more issue. මචං QR එක QR එකෙන් යකෝ මේක කරන්න බෑ because I have only 40 liter or something, no? 40 liter or something for a car, but it's not enough because even in the today I need more than 40 liter to go Arugambe. That's crazy. So we can manage it because we have a lot of friends, then we share with each others. So then I will show you. I just asked some QR from my one of friends. Yeah, send me macam 2 QRs. Then it will be very big help for me. That's why I'm gonna kiss him. And macam by the chance I got 1 hour, then I came to get my breakfast macam. So until 11:30 I have to explain one thing for you macam. Everyone asking me how to get a job in tourism in Sri Lanka. Ek macam mehemai. Then if you have a basic driving license in Sri Lanka, you can work with foreigners. We don't have any special rules like work for foreigners. So if you have a basic driving license in Sri Lanka, you can work with foreigners. Or එක තැනකින් pick කරගෙන තව තැනකට drop කරන්න පුළුවන්. It's okay with the basic license. So if you do rounding tours, even the rounding tours also you can do with your basic driving license. But if you have a tourist driver ID card, it's bit more professional. But අර දෙකම තිබ්බට මචං, you can't do explain with foreigners about our heritage sites, about our histories. Like if I say simply macam, you can't guide with your basic driving license or tourist driver ID card. Definitely you should have a guide license. So for take the guide license, you should have minimum 23 years, 24 years something. Then you have to apply for the Slitam. Then 1,000, not 1,000, 150,000 something for the course. 6 months full time. You have to study for the become a tourist guide in Sri Lanka. Because there are 2 steps. First one is Chopa tourist guide. Next one is national tourist guide. Then very difficult to select with English because the cutoff mark is very high macha. I was applying one time but I couldn't select. I was applying with English but it's very difficult to select. So but try one day you can fly Kiran macha. I will apply in next year. And another one thing macam, if you looking to join a tourism with your own car, you should make sure this one. You should have a good interiors like good air conditions and seat belts. And also if you work for tourism macam, you should work full time macam. Again, this is like this. I'm gonna pick someone from Negombo. I'm gonna take them to Arugambe. Then I can't come back in today. Then I have to stay there. I have to take a room and I have to stay there. Then what are the contacts I have? I have to inform them. Right now I'm in Arugambe. If you get any bookings from Arugambe, please let me know. I can work for you. I have to inform all the company what I know, who I know. Okay, you got it. Then after yesterday also it was like this. It means when I come from south, when I was coming from south, I informed to all the groups, hey guys, I'm on the way to the airport. If you got any bookings near the airport, please let me know. I can work for you. Then today morning they were calling me, hi, hello Yomar, we have a booking from the Negombo. If you are able to pick them from the Negombo, we would like to give this booking for you. Then I got that macha. But after got that, I'm looking the destination. Arugambe macha, it's more than 6 hours, but not a problem. You should able to do that, and you have to stay in Arugambe. Then you have to find another booking from Arugambe. I don't know what is my next destination. Maybe in Colombo, maybe in Trincomalee, maybe in Sigiriya. Anywhere, I'm able to go anywhere in Sri Lanka. That's why you should work full time for the tourism macha. Like if you work like as a part time macam, it's gonna be a very big trouble. If you got hired to the Arugambe from Negombo, you can't come back. Then tomorrow you have to get a leave from your permanent job. Then they're gonna do paingal elir dai macam. Say hi.
You might say hi.
Say hi.
200 meters, continue onto Airport Entrance Road.
You know him?
I think so. I think it's Pisu.
It's still the same sound.
I don't know, but I think it's Pisu. I call him Pisu.
Piso.
Pisu. Pisu.
Piso.
Crazy.
Pisu.
That's it. Pisu.
Okay guys, now I have arrived to the drop locations. He's writing a review in my review book. This is our last selfie. Okay, I have done my job now. I came to the town for get my dinner, but it was very spicy machang in Potuville. Amma katta nikang. This is our accommodation machang. You can see how many vehicles are here machang. Everyone gonna stay today night in Arugam Bay. May the machang liyapu review ek. Let's go. Dear Yoma, thank you so much for making this long trip so quickly. It was great talking to you. I wish you all the best in the future. You are a great driver and you are going to be an amazing tour guide. I know you are already. Yeah, you know one thing guys, when they're giving a good review, it's gonna be interesting more than the money. So guys, මේ ටික මම සිංහලෙන් කියන්නම්. මේ ටික ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් කියන්න හොඳ නැහැ. Out of country කට්ටිය දකින්න හොඳ නැහැ. මේක මචං මෙහෙමයි, මේකේ තියෙන්නේ 6 එකේ ගාන. මම 6 එකේ ගාන ගත්තා. 6 එකේ ගානත් මට මෙතනදී කියන්න එහෙම ලොකුම පර්මිෂන් එකක් නැහැ. මම කියන්න ඕනුනේ මට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ආරුගම්බේ එයාපෝට් නිගම්බු ඉඳන් ආරුගම්බේ 6 එකේ මගේ සැලරි එක සාමාන්‍යයෙන් per day වැටෙනවා දවසට 4000ක් වගේ. මේ තියෙන්නේ මට ගෙස් දුන්න ටිප් එක රුපියල් 3000ක. එතකොට මම per day earn කරලා තියෙනවා 7000 වගේ 7000ක් වගේ earn කරලා තියෙනවා. හැබැයි ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන්නේ මචං ඉතින් අපිට ඉන්ෂුරන්ස් නැහැ, අපිට ETF EPF නැහැ. අපි ඒක මැනේජ් කරගන්න ඕනේ. මේ 7000ට අමතරව මට තව 1500ක allowance එකක් හම්බ වෙනවා මේ accommodation එකට ගෙවන්න. ඉතින් මම ආපහු තෙල් ගහගත්තා. තෙල් කොහොමද 12ක විතර මට ගිහිල්ලා තිබ්බා. Okay guys, finally I have arrived to my accommodation. So I'm gonna take a shower now. Actually I'm really tired. So see you in next video. Thank you so much and follow me guys.